Can you imagine that if this was in like body spray form and you use that as a chat up line? Yeah. Hey, my name's Finley and I smell of fruity dreams. I said it's no yolk. Damn, that smells good. Hey, my name's Finley and I'm part of the brand team here at Lush. And today we're going to be bringing you a new YouTube series called Lush Reveals. Throughout this series, we'll be bringing you the latest product launches and campaigns, giving you the lowdown on all things Lush. In this video, we'll be taking you through our new golden egg shower gel and our returning favorite Flamingo egg. Additionally, we'll be talking about our reformulated henna bricks and how to dye your hair safely, as well as our Proud to Love campaign and regeneration, which is incredibly important to us as a company. This next segment contains some terrible puns. Be like Neo and follow the White Rabbit down a hole of extra special products. You'll see the return of some favorites, like Flamingo egg, and some new creations hopping into stores and online from March 1st. One of our exciting creations that's coming this Easter is golden egg shower gel. Now, we heard your feedback about our limited edition shower gels turning up as spheres, so we took on that feedback and we're bringing it to you in bottle form. Now, some interesting facts about golden egg. It first came out in 2014 as a bath bomb stroke bath melt. So we're excited to see it in this form. It's got a very, very similar smell, or the same smell as Honey, I Washed the Kids. And it smells absolutely divine. God damn, that smells good. This is literally essentially a bottle full of glitter. That's like a disco in a shower. Fun fact about Flamingo egg. During my time in the bath bomb department, this was my favorite product to press due to the smell and the shape. It's incredibly satisfying. Now, another fun fact about this is that it shares the same scent as one of our previous Christmas products, Elfie Stick Bubble Stick. And it smells like banana, fruity dreams, cotton candy. Could it get any better? And it was inspired by the pink flamingos in Alice in Wonderland. Our henna is back, baby. And if you've been in store or online recently, you would have heard us talking about dyeing your hair safely. We want to inform and empower you with knowledge so that you can make the decision yourself about how to dye your hair. Lush have written a great book called True Colours. It goes through the history of hair dye, what it is, what it does, and the power it holds over us. You can find this book online or in store. A really great fact about this book is that 20% of the ink used is henna. Trigger warning, this next section contains a sensitive subject matter. Conversion therapy is the shockingly legal practice that tries to change someone's gender, identity, or sexual orientation. Conversion therapy is abuse. Nearly 1 in 5 members of the LGBT+ community have had someone try to change, cure, or suppress their gender identity or sexual orientation. Lush and Gallup have partnered to create this campaign, Proud to Love You. Gallup are a UK LGBT+ anti-abuse charity. They work with and for LGBT+ victims and survivors of interpersonal abuse and violence. This campaign is calling on the UK government to pass legislation that bans conversion therapy and also covers all loopholes and all members of the LGBT+ community. We ask you to act now and make your voices heard by sending an e-card to your local MP. As of our latest figures, we've already had over 3,000 people send e-cards to their local MPs. If you or anyone you know has experienced any of the conversion practices, then the wonderful people at Gallup have a helpline where you can get the support and understanding that you need. You can find more information on wearelush.com. The link will be in the description. As part of our ambition to leave the world lusher than we found it, every 2 years, Lush Prize celebrates those bringing this vision to life. We celebrate those regenerating their environments and their communities. The shortlisted Lush Spring Prize applicants bring life back to land, ocean, and the social systems. To find out more information about this year's potential Lush Spring Prize recipients, and to keep up to date with the latest information about the ceremony in May, head on over to the Lush Spring Prize website and click the link down below. I just wanted to highlight one of the amazing organisations that has been shortlisted for the Lush Spring Prize. Cooperativa Tonanzintalali. Now, I apologise if I get that wrong. This organisation was founded by 23 Indigenous Matagalpa women with the aim of using regenerative practices on their organically grown coffee, which is grown under a tree canopy. Interestingly, Tonanzintalali means Sacred Mother Earth. These women are committed to upholding the rights of Mother Earth and our sacred relationship with her and her creatures. Thank you for joining us this week. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Lush Reveals. Join us next time for more product sneak peeks, updates on campaigns, and general Lush goings on. Let us know down in the comments if there's anything you'd like to see in future episodes. Is that all right for continuity? Oh, it's addictive. Can you imagine if you like attach like a minor explosive to this? It would just be the glitteriest shower ever. You hear that, Finley?